Shit. Hey, look. Hey, look. This forklift right here stay broke down so much. I swear stay broke. It stay broke down so much. Look, man. Somebody went and rode forward on it. Found on the road dead. Man, I said this shit. That shit took the hell out of me, man. Man, this forklift stay broke down, man. This shit crazy, man. These folks tripping out here, man. For real, man. God damn, these folks tripping. Shit. My boy Mano gone. Mano can't work today. That drop. That motherfucking drop. Man. I hope he made it home safe, I tell you that. Shit. That boy crazy. Something wrong with that child.